Hello everyone, it's the iOS reviewer here, and today I'm going to be doing my best job at reviewing the newish operating system that is iOS 7. iOS 7 has been out for about 2 weeks now, I think. Yeah, probably 2 weeks, and I've got it running here on my iPhone 5. So as you can see, there are a few things to notice right from the beginning. One of which is the reception icon bars, or whatever you want to call them, up here have been changed from bars to dots, and I'm on currently Vodafone Australia, is my carrier. Instead of it saying Voda AU, it now says Vodafone AU, which takes up more space and is annoying, but that's just different things you get, I guess. Okay, so let's move this back down. Okay, so let's jump right into the operating system. One thing you will notice is you can slide from any part of this lock screen now, and you can slide down from notification center and slide up for control center. There it is, and there. Okay, so let's jump right in. So this is the main operating system here. As you can see, I don't have a passcode, so I just log in. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm in my phone. So this is iOS 7, as I'll show you right here. Let's see, where is it? General. About version is iOS 7.0.2, and you can see I'm on Vodafone AU 15.0 network. Okay, so some other things are noticeable with this operating system are the fact that, oops, I'm trying to do this through the camera, so yeah, it's a bit hard. Mobile data here, yep, all the same. I got it to Australian English, that's why it says mobile data, not cellular data as what you would get on the American one. But LTE is in Australia. In America, I know for a fact that it's still called LTE because their 4G is different. Isn't in Australia? We never had 4G. We just had LTE, which is 4G. So it's confusing. But anyway, our LTE has been called 4G, as you can see there. So that's our 4G. All I can do is I'll swap out of this for a minute. Okay, I'm not going to go into my phone or my messages because that would just be too personal. So some other things you notice is that icons are much different. As you can see, the App Store, settings, newsstand, game center, all different. Much different. Passbook's different. But yeah, they've been updated and made to look a bit nicer. So you might notice that the spotlight search is no longer over here. I don't think you can click to get to it anymore. Nah. So you got to pull down, and that's your spotlight search, and you can type in anything, such as here. I'll type in Tiny Wings. No, I won't. Yes, I will. There we go. So this is Tiny Wings. Just hold it like this, and there you go. You can see that it runs fine, just like any other OS did. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so that was Spotlight. Some other things, something else you might notice is the weather app is different. Yeah, you got different times, stuff like that. It all looks a bit just nicer and fancied up. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so you'll see that it's all basically the same there. Okay, so another thing that's been improved has Safari. Yes, I know, I was in there a minute ago. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so we'll go to Apple's website here. And as you can see, there's an ad for the iPhone 5C. The browser has been heavily updated. As if I swipe, I might have to go to a different page first. Let's just pick Google. There it is. So Google. Okay, there we go. So I can swipe back to the last page now. I couldn't do that before. So that's something nice that's been updated. When I'm scrolling through web pages, you'll notice that everything disappears, and you can see like that. You can come back. And that's basically all that's done in Safari. Other than obviously a few things that I'm trying to skip because I'm trying to get this video done. So this is the clock app here. You know, fairly simple. Nothing much new. You can tap on the times there and get a standard clock. So yeah, that will You might, if I zoom in here, you'll get to see the clock app there is actually live. You can see that, right? Yep. There. Okay, so that's actually live. The date's correct, as it should be. But yep. Okay, so something else, some other things are. I have to zoom in again, but don't know if you can see this, but the wallpaper sort of moves in a very 3D. Yeah, I think you can see that if it's zoomed. Look to the left of the settings there. Yeah. Anyway, so that moves sort of a bit with the movement of the phone. That's pretty cool. AirDrop is good. I use that a fair bit. I like the torch feature here. See, torch feature. Okay, let's pull that back down. Let's go into settings. So settings has some nice cool features. Notifications in the control center. All that good stuff. Automatic app updates is a good thing as well that I've been finding. Did it? Yeah, so automatic downloads and then updates. I've got this turned off for mobile data as I don't want to use my mobile data for downloading apps. Anyway, this has been my quick sort of review of iOS 7. In general, I find this operating system very, very good. It's a bit of a change and a bit to get used to, but I think it'll do well in the long run. So don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.